Grade 2, Level 2, long vowel A, standalone. For this lesson, you will need your whiteboard marker, your time to read workbooks, and of course the time to read app. Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Time to Read classroom. Before we begin, please open your workbooks onto this page. You see these words at the bottom of the page. Please can you read them slowly? Read them in claps and then read them as a whole word. You may pause this video while you read the words. Welcome back, everybody. Please can you get your whiteboards out and your whiteboard marker? On your board, please will you write the 3 E's we find in words? Yes. Well done. Good job. Right. Can you please put a circle around the E that is the most common E in the middle of words? Good job. A triangle around the other E. And last but not least, boys and girls, can you please put a square around the E that we find at the end of a word? Does yours look like mine? Well done. Wipe your boards. Right, boys and girls, I'm looking for the O sound. Can you please write down the O sound in words? There are 3, yes. And of course, I heard somebody say, if you can't remember what they look like, please look at your sound chart. Good. Yes. Right. Can you please put a circle around the O we find at the end of a word? Well done. Now I'm looking for the most common O in the middle of words. That's it. I wanted a square around it. And last, I want a heart around the other O that we find in the middle of words. Well done. Let's wipe our boards. Boys and girls, please can you write the owls? The owls in words. Good. Well done. Right, could you please put a circle around the owl that is most common? Now I say most common because it's not all the time. The owl that we find in the middle of words. Yes, well done. Please can you put a line around the sound that also looks like an O, but is an owl, and we find it at the end of words? Just put a line underneath it. Well done. Excellent job. Let's clean our boards. Right. I am looking for the A sound in words. Yes, it's a smiley. Yes, you are right. And of course, the last one. Now, boys and girls, please can you put a circle around the A that we find in the middle of words, but does not have an or a L behind it? Yes, well done. It's the smiley A. Okay. A square around the A that also looks like a funny A. Good job. And of course, I want you to put a tick by the A that we find at the end of words. Excellent. I am very proud of you. Right, wipe your boards and sit up straight. Are you ready? Yes, boys and girls. I want the oi sound. That's correct. The oi sound. Excellent. Now I want the oi that is at the end of a word. You found it. Well done. The oi that's in the middle. Yes, you are correct. I have put a line under mine. What have you put under yours? Are you ready? What sound do you see on the board now? Boys and girls, it is the I sound. Okay. Please, can you put your finger on the I that we find in the middle of words? Excellent. That is the I in the middle. Now put your finger on the I that is in the middle of words but likes to follow by a T. Good job. I hope yours is like mine. And a I at the end of a word. Yes, can you think of any words? My, shy, buy, cry. Well done. Are you ready to learn something new? Let's wipe our boards. Sit up straight. All right, boys and girls, let's see what's happening today. We are going to need our ears for this and listen to the words that I call out. Can you hear a common sound in all these words? Right, the first sound word is baby, lady, and table. Let's see. Boys and girls, yes, you are very, very right. All these words have got a long vowel A in them. Now I want to show you something with these words. On your whiteboard, I want you to only draw claps. Boys and girls, let's say the first word together. What is the first word? The first word is baby. Have you got your claps? Well done. What's next? A, B, E. Yes, put in your sound buttons. The next one. Listen where you hear the long vowel A and draw a cross. Excellent. Let's do the next word. The next word is lady. Lady. Two sound lines. And now your buttons. L, A, D, E. Can you hear where the long vowel A is? Well done. Our next word is table. Table. Sound buttons, please. Table. And draw a cross where you hear the long vowel A. Right, everybody, I want you to look at those words. What do these words have in common? Yes, you are right. They each have two claps. They each have the long vowel A. But boys and girls, what is happening at the end of each clap? Do you notice what I notice? Yes. At the end of each clap, boys and girls, I hear the A sound. Let's see. Baby, lady, table. There is something happening. Now, let me tell you something, boys and girls. What does our sound chart say? When we hear a long vowel A at the end of a clap, that long vowel likes to stand on its own. So it doesn't need a friend. It's one letter, the letter A, the A. Let's see what happens. Yes, boys and girls. When we hear a long vowel at the end of a clap, it stands on its own. And that is why our sound button is changing to a stand alone. Boys and girls, this happens for all the long vowels. When we hear a long vowel at the end of a clap, we know that it stands on its own. And this will help us to write these words. Now that is pretty easy. Can we complete the words? Baby, lady, table. Wow, that is super duper easy. Boys and girls, you've now learned the standalone. Say it with me. When we hear a long vowel A, like you see it on the screen, at the end of a clap, it stands on its own. And that is where the stand alone button comes in. Are you ready? Yes, please add it to your sound table in your book. Now it's time for you to build your own words. Remember, we clap it, we say the word, we code it, we write it, and of course, we read it. These are the words that you are going to be building today. Paper, April, crazy, stable, fable. Boys and girls, fable is like a story. And tornado. Yes, these are the words that I would like you to build on your whiteboard. Please, can you pause this video while you are building your... Well done on building those words. Boys and girls, please can you open your books up onto this page again. Now, I want you to read these words on the side of the page. Can you see the standalone? Right, now for our group work. Group 1, you will be reading a paragraph. Group 2, you'll be doing the on your marks. Group 3 will be doing sound manipulation. And Group 4 will be doing the mapping sheet. Remember to rotate so that you can do every activity in the book. Wow, let's see what we have learned today. Boys and girls, you can now read and write words containing the standalone A. Remember, the standalone A appears at the end of a clap. If this video was helpful, please remember to like it.